It only takes a small pothole or a bump of a curb to misalign the suspension, causing premature tyre and suspension component wear, or poor handling and driver fatigue. Poorly aligned suspension is a major safety concern. Our latest laser beam suspension alignment system ensures that the steering geometry and vehicle suspension is aligned to manufacturer's specification. We check for wear and worn or damaged components, and remedial work can be quoted for. Remember, this is not just a traditional tracking check. This is a laser beam alignment to check camber, caster, toe and truss angles. A detailed printout will show the areas that require adjustment, and a final diagram will assure you that your vehicle is perfectly aligned. Ensure you contact our reception to inquire about wheel and suspension alignment. If you're involved in a motor accident that wasn't your fault, why should you be inconvenienced? Our accident management service will take away all of the hassle involved in having an accident. From liaising with your insurance company to providing you with replacement transport, we will take care of everything. We can arrange vehicle recovery, damage assessment, and will notify your insurance company on your behalf. Your vehicle will be repaired to full manufacturer's specification while you have use of a courtesy vehicle. Remember, if you are involved in an accident and don't want the hassle, we're just a phone call away. Paintwork scuffs, split plastic bumpers, scuffed mirrors and broken or chipped headlamps are just some examples that can be repaired or replaced. Our trained technicians are able to deal with your knocks and bumps